Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP, and through the XAMPP we will see how to install also WordPress to your local computer. So first we will write here XAMPP, okay, and download. I'm using Windows. You guys, if you're using Mac, you can write Mac. I wrote Windows, and then I go to first link. And here you're gonna see the options. I'm gonna go to the latest version, 2.4, and I just tap here, and it will start downloading. If it didn't start yet, you can click here, or I'll click there. Okay. Here we go. It starts downloading. Based on the speed of your internet, it will take a time to download all the exe file. Later on we will start initialize installation. As it completes downloading the file, I'm going to tap here and then start installing. I just say yes, and then quickly we will see together what to install. You will see the warning panel every time you try to install it, and just say okay, and later on we say yes. Now we will select the servers that we're gonna need for our server platforms. So I'm gonna need example MySQL, FileZilla, FTP, and Mercury, Tomcat, the Perl, and okay, they can stay as well, but based on your demand, so you can check or uncheck, and you say next, and next, and next. And by the way, I can talk to you about what is XAMPP. XAMPP is simply a local host or server that is used to test clients or websites before publishing them to a remote web server. The XAMPP server software on a local computer provides an appropriate environment for testing MySQL, PHP, Apache, and Perl projects. So basically, it's going to create an interface where you will able to run your projects in the basement, or by the help or by the support of servers. We are using XAMPP because we are also targeting to control our word process in a local installation. WordPress is created by PHP program, and also PHP is a server-side program. As it's so, we will need a server that's always should run in the background of the computer. So we cannot do this only in the browser. We need always a running server. We can do this only using XAMPP. So as it completed all installation, I will just say finish, and then control panel will come up quickly. And here we go. I will need first 3 Apache, MySQL, and FileZilla. I will run each of them one by one. By the way, you have to allow access. And I will start also another one. And also FileZilla. Every time you turn on a computer, you have to initialize these all servers one by one. And to avoid this, you can go to config, and then you can check the servers that you want to be always active. As you turn on the computer, you can just check, and then you click save. Now I will go to URL and then write the local host, and it's gonna open this page, and it means the XAMPP is installed, so we can reach out to servers as well. The next step is going to be to install the WordPress, because we have to install the WordPress using the servers. So let's go to install the WordPress download. Okay, and I'm gonna click on this blue button, which will bring me the WordPress quickly. What I'm going to do next is to open the Explorer and then go to downloads, because the WordPress is here. I can extract this all here. I'm gonna extract it here. It will take a time because there are too much documents there. As you see, more than 3,000 files. After it extracted all the files to a folder, I can go to open it, and then I will just copy this. Okay, and then I will carry them all to disk C. From disk C, I will have the XAMPP file, folder, and from the folder I find a htdocs folder, and I'm gonna paste it here. Control V. So we have copied our WordPress folder to our XAMPP htdocs folder, and you can rename it. Actually, if your website name is, let's say, is my YouTube channel ICT Profi, I want to do anything about ICT Profi, I can write here ICT Profi, okay, and I can also reach these the WordPress using this name. So they remember that you write here your website name. Now I go to back to this page, okay, the XAMPP Apache page, and the next thing is going to be to create a database. Database is the a platform where we're gonna do the installation of WordPress. I go to press PHP myadmin and go to database and write here database. I can do an underline and I say ICT Profi. So I might work with too much databases. That's why this is the way to distinguish from others. I'll just say create. So our database is ready. Okay. And next thing is going to be, we will write localhost and slash, I'm going to write ICT Profi. So here we go. Now I can start installation of WordPress. I say continue with English, and then as you see, those things will be required in the next step. I say let's go. Now I write my database. It was database underline ICT Profi, right? And username I will leave it like root, okay, and the rest of them I will leave like a default, and I will say submit, and now run the installation. Now here we can write some basic things about the site titles, so you can change them later on, but for now I will write just my site and username admin. I will use a weak password since I'm using a local server, and I'll just check this. Later on I'll just write here one email, okay, and install WordPress. Got it. So this is our first interface that we see in the WordPress. Congratulations, so you have installed the WordPress in your local server. Hopefully you will create amazing websites that will contribute to the new generations. So all the best for you. I hope it was useful. See you in another one. Bye bye.